Alexander, a Somfy authorized installer, goes to the home of his customer, Mike Lapointe, to motorize and connect the rolling shutters. Thanks to the tahoma-pro application, it will be easy. He begins by registering a tahoma switch. He scans the code, adds some information on the customer, and tahoma switch is configured. Now the rolling shutters have to be paired. Here we go. The customer file appears on screen. A click here, and there you have it. The rolling shutters are set up and paired with tahoma switch. The tahoma-pro application is truly easy to use. Intuitive, it ensures fast, error-free commissioning. What a time saver for Alexander, and his customer is thrilled.